The backdrop to all of this is extremely interesting because we know that since 1304, that's the year of the Siege of Stirling, that Robert Bruce and Bishop William Lamberton took themselves off in secret to Cambus Kenneth Abbey, and there they made a pact. So that pact was already well in the planning. After murdering Comyn, Bruce goes to Glasgow, he seeks out Robert Wishart, and he is absolved of the murder, of the crime. Now this to me hints at deep planning, and the wheels are now churning. They are now in progress. To me, this was not a random hit, but all part of a grander plan involving a lot more than Robert Bruce, but involving the Scottish Church, which had to remain an entity free of England. That was its sole purpose.